Before we hop into the video, make sure to check out NordVPN. To stay safe online, use the code in the description below. Here's how to connect Google Sheets to Notion in under a minute. Step 1. In Notion, create a new workflow and add the Google Sheets node. Step 2. Under Authentication, choose OAuth 2. If you haven't set it up, go to your Google Cloud Console, create credentials, and add your OAuth client ID and secret to Notion's credentials section. Step 3. Back in the node, pick the spreadsheet and worksheet you want. You can now read, write, or append data. Hit Execute Node to test it out live. And boom, it's synced. That's how you connect Google Sheets to Notion fast, simple, and done. For more videos like this, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Subscribe, give this a like, it helps us out a lot, and don't forget to check out NordVPN in the description below.